Get ready to elevate your comfort food with this infused baked mac and cheese. It's creamy, cheesy, and infused with the perfect dose of flavor. Here's everything you'll need. 1 pound of mozzarella cheese, 1 pound of Colby Jack cheese, 8 ounces of sharp cheddar, 1 pound of nope, I'm not saying that pasta, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of salted butter, 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 2 cups of heavy cream, and some fresh parsley for garnish. If you want to make this chronic style, we'll be using infused salted butter. Unsure on how to properly infuse butter? Check out our previous video for a step-by-step guide. In a large saucepan, melt 3 tablespoons of infused butter over medium heat. Once melted, add your spice blend, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Stir it all up and get those flavors mixed just right. Next, whisk in flour to create a smooth roux. Cook it for 1 to 2 minutes to eliminate the raw flour taste. Slowly stir in evaporated milk and heavy cream, whisking constantly until the mixture is silky and thickened. Now, stir in a teaspoon of Dijon mustard and another sprinkle of your seasoning blend to enhance the flavor base before adding the cheese. Gradually add half of your shredded cheese, mozzarella, Colby Jack, and sharp cheddar, stirring up everything until it melts into a rich and creamy sauce. Let's go ahead and cook your pasta in salted water until it's about al dente. Drain and set aside. Start layering in a greased baking dish. Add half of the cooked pasta, pour half of the cheese sauce over it, and sprinkle with a layer of shredded cheese. Repeat with the remaining pasta, cheese sauce, and finish with a generous layer of shredded cheese on top. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the top is bubbly and perfectly browned. Once out the oven, let it rest for about 5 minutes before garnishing with fresh parsley. The result? Pure comfort with an elevated twist. And there you have it, a deliciously infused baked mac and cheese. Creamy, cheesy, and infused to perfection. Enjoy responsibly.